Good morning, students. It's me, Harsnath Sukla, and today we are going to discuss lecture 6 for class 10th. Chapter is pair of linear equation. So let us begin. We have to see some important questions based on pair of linear equation in two variables. So first question is solve the pair of linear equation. Solve pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 1 y minus 2 is equal to 2, and the second equation is 6 upon x minus 1 plus minus 3 upon y minus 2, and this is equal to 1. This is the pair of linear equation which we have to solve. Okay. So for this, first of all, we have to take 1 upon, let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. So let us give this substitution. 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. Then equations are reduced to 5u plus v is equal to 2 and 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Now this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So we have to solve it by elimination method. Any method you have to use, whatever easy for you, but we have to solve it by elimination method. For solving by elimination method, we need to multiply the equation number 1 by 3 and then add. So 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 implies, that means 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 implies equation number 1 should be multiplied by 3 and adding in 2. So if you multiply 1 by 3, so 15u plus 3v is equal to 6 and 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Now add both of the equation, you will get 15 6 21u is equal to 617. So u is nothing but 7 by 21, so u is 1 by 3. So if u is equal to 1 by 3 and then we find the value of v. So v is, putting the value of u in any one of the equation, we will get the value of v. So 5 into u plus v is equal to 2. So 5 into u is 1 by 3 plus v is equal to 2. So 5 by 3 plus v is equal to 2. v is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. So v is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 3. So v is also 1 by 3. Now substitute the value of u and v, we will get the value of x and y. So now we have to replace the value of u and v. u is 1 upon x minus 1. u is 1 upon x minus 1, and then 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So x minus 1 is equal to 3. So x will be 4. Similarly, we have to replace the value of v also. So v is also 1 by 3. So 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So y minus 2 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 5. So the value of x and y is given as 4 and y is equal to 5. So this is the solution of this pair of linear equation. So So in this manner we have to solve the pair of linear equation which is reducible to pair of linear equation actually. Okay. So now next one. See. Thirty upon x minus y, 30 upon x minus y plus 44 upon x plus y is equal to 10, and 40 upon x minus y plus 55 by x plus y is equal to 13. So solve it by any one of the methods. So we are just going to take elimination method. For that, let 1 upon x minus y is equal to u and 1 upon x plus y is equal to v. So we will get 30u plus 44v is equal to 10, and 40u plus 55yv is equal to 30. So this is our reduced equation. So by elimination method we have to solve it, but there is problem in elimination method because the coefficients are very large. So we will use the cross multiplication method here and we will get the solution. So u upon c, deleting this particular term, we will get 44 into 13 minus 55 into 10 is equal to minus v upon, deleting this term and multiply in the same direction, 30 into 13 minus 40 into 10, and this is 1 upon, deleting this term we will get 30 into 55 minus 40 into 44. Now we will get u upon 13 fours are 52, 13 fours are 52 and 5, 57 minus 550 minus v upon 13 3s are 39, 390 minus 400, and 1 upon 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 1 16, 16 50 minus 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 1 70, 1760. So u upon this is nothing but 22 minus v upon this is minus 10, and this is equal to 1 upon if you subtract it you will get minus of 10, 110 minus of 110. So u upon 22, v upon 10 and 1 upon minus 110. So since u upon 22 is equal to 1 upon minus 110, so u is equal to minus 5, and v upon 10 is equal to 1 upon minus 110, so v is equal to minus of 11. So this is the value of u and v. After replacing the value of u and v, we will get the solution as the value of x and y. So please see here, u is minus 5, that means 1 upon minus 5 means minus 1 upon 5, sorry, minus 1 upon 5, and this is minus 1 upon 11. So u is equal to 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 5. So x minus y is equal to minus 5, equation number 3. Similarly, v is 1 upon x plus y. This is equal to minus 1 upon 11. So x plus y is equal to minus 11. This is equation number 4. After solving 3 and 4, we will get the value of x and y. Okay, so next you solve x minus y is equal to x plus y is equal to minus 11 and x minus y is equal to minus 5. On adding it, 2x is equal to minus 16, so x will be minus 8, and putting the value of x, minus 8 plus y is equal to minus 11, so y is equal to minus 3. So this is the value of x and y. Because I am taking this question from a word problem, and this is the speed velocity questions. That should be, speed never should be negative. That's why x and y should be taken as positive. Now next question. Write down 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. 1 upon 2 times 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 times 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. So let us begin to solve. Let 3x plus y is equal to u. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u. 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. So equations are reduced. U plus v is equal to 3 by 4, and 1 upon 2u plus 1 upon 2v is equal to 1 minus 1 by 8. 1 by 2 taken as a common, u minus v is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So 2 is cancelled out by 8. So u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is equation number 2, and this is supposed to be equation number 1. Now adding 1 plus 2, we get u plus v is equal to 3 by 4, and u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4. So v cancelled out. 2u is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. So 2u is equal to 1 by 2. So u is equal to 1 by 4. Putting this value is any one of the equation, we will get the value of v. So u plus v is equal to 3 by 4. So u is 1 by 4 plus v is equal to 3 by 4. So v must be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So v is equal to again 2 by 4. So v is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the value of u and v. After replacing the value of u and v by x plus 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y, 2x, 3x plus y, we will get, so replacing the value, as you know, u is equal to 1 by 4, so 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 3. And 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. So 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation number 4. After solving equation number 3 and 4, we will get the values of x and y. So let us see. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. After adding it, 6x is equal to 6. So x will be 1. Putting this value in any one of the equation, you will get the value of y. So I am just putting in 3. 3 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is equal to 1. So you will see here the value of x is equal to 1 and y is also equal to 1. So this is the solution of that particular equation. Now we see another question. X upon a minus y upon b is equal to 0. Let us see. We have to see this question. This is very important question. 152 minus 378y, 152x minus 378y is equal to minus 74 minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. See, this is the very tough question. As you see, substitution as well as elimination, any method you have to use, but this question is tough for all the method. So we will apply here a particular method which is always used in change of coefficient. You see here the coefficient should be changed. What is the coefficient in of x in the first equation? That will be coefficient of y in second equation. So for that we considered it as the first and second. So simply a method is you have to add 1 plus 2, you will get another equation, and you have to subtract x plus 1 plus 2, you will get another equation. So 1 plus 2 implies 378 minus 152. So this is 8 by 2, 6, 7 minus 5, 2, and 3 minus 2, minus 226x. Again this is minus 226y is equal to, you have to add this 448, 7 and 6. Okay, and this is minus. So minus 226 is taken common, x plus y, this will be minus 678. So x plus y is nothing but minus 678 upon minus 226. So x plus y is nothing but 3, because 2 3s are 6, 26 3s are 78. So this is the value. So this is supposed to be question number 3. Again you should subtract. 1 minus 2 implies, if you subtract it, this is positive, then 8 2s are 10, 8 2 10, 5 7 12, 1 13, 3 1 4, 1 5, 30x again this is minus 530y, and this is again what? If you subtract it, because sign is changed, because as you subtract here, so 440 and 1073 and 615, and this is positive because sign is changed. So 530 is common if x minus y is equal to 530. So x minus y is nothing but 1. This is equation number 4. So see how easy it is. Okay. So for that you have to solve these 3 plus 4 implies, equation number 3 plus 4 implies x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Put this value in any one of the equation, you will get the value of y. So thank you for today. We will see the more questions in next revision lecture. Thank you.